and brother, who's an MLA. I'll translate the question into English and then give the answer. He has said that like in Hinduism there is Ravana, who's a great enemy. Similar in Islam, there's a great enemy, Yezid. And after that, later on, there was a person by the name of Mukhtar, who fought against the evil. And many Brahmins went and fought that war. They were known Hussaini Brahmin. So he wants to know where are the Hussaini Brahmins now. And he wants some information so that we can understand. Brother, if you heard my speech, I said that if you want to understand any religion, don't look at the followers. To understand Islam, don't look at what the followers did. Look, if you want to look at the followers, the best example is Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. As far as your understanding about the wall of Karbala, you said that Yezid, may Allah be pleased with him, that he was ferocious and he was a villain, etc. There's difference of opinion. We're not here to discuss about history. And neither do I want to get a difference in the Muslim Ummah. What we say, there's a difference of opinion between the Sahabas. That is history. What we have learned about following Islam is Quran and the authentic sayings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There was a political war that was fought. There were other political wars also fought.